I am Apurva. I am going to explain FCFS means first come first served CPU scheduling algorithm. First, what is CPU scheduling? CPU scheduling is a method used by the operating system to decide which process should be executed by the CPU at a particular time. It aims maximizes CPU utilization and reduce waiting time, improve turnaround time and ensure smooth multitasking in a system. It is mainly used in multi-programming systems and some of the common algorithms are FCFS, SJF, SRTF and RR priority. What is FCFS scheduling? The first come first served algorithm executes process in the exact order of the arrival. Important characteristics are non-primitive scheduling, processes handled sequentially, simple and easy to implement. Fair in arrival order but may cause some delays. FCFS treats every process equally but does not consider priority or a burst time. Objectives are it designs and evaluates the working FCFS scheduling simulators, and this involves accepting dynamic arrival and burst time, computing start time, completion time, wait time and turnaround time. Generating a clear Gantt chart, comparing performance using 3 datasets, concluding whether FCFS is suitable for the real-time system or not. Experiment setup. Here I used Python, tools like online compiler and inputs are process ID, arrival time and a burst time. Outputs are start time, completion time, waiting time, turnaround time and a Gantt chart. Scheduling logic. We sort the processor by arrival time and the CPU executes the first arrived processes. Start time is equals to maximum of arrival time and the current time. Completion time is start time plus burst time. Waiting time is equals to start minus arrival time and the turnaround time is equals to completion minus arrival time. Flowchart. First we start the processes. If input the processes details and sort the processes by the arrival time. If the CPU is idle, it directly ends. If the CPU is idle, then start the processes and calculate waiting time and the turnaround time and later its end. Implementation. The flow of FCFS scheduling can be summarized as follows. Steps. Start the program, input arrival and a burst time, sort the processes by the arrival time. For each processes, computes the start time, completion time, waiting time and the turnaround time. Create the Gantt chart and based on the execution order, display the complete result and end the scheduling process. We use the three different types of datasets. First is normal datasets. Here we use the normal datasets and here this is the output of the datasets and we have calculated lastly average total turnaround time and average waiting time. Second is convey effect and the third is SJF. Here we used the Python online compiler and we use the Python code. These Python codes have calculates the turnaround time, waiting time. This is the output. Once again I run. Enter of processes is 4. Arrival time is 0. Burst time 1. Sorry 5. 1. 3. This is the input. We have processed 4 outputs. We have processed 4 inputs. These are the outcomes. Here it calculates the waiting time, turnaround time, average waiting time, average turnaround time, and this is the Gantt chart. We have processing this. We have run this code from the 3 times. Output. This is the output of the normal case, worst case, and a best case. Is FCFS is suitable for the real-time system? No. FCFS follows arrival order only and ignores urgency and priority. No primitive. Once a process starts, it cannot be interrupted by the real-time task. Cause long delays, convey effect that can deals to missed deadlines. provide no guarantees of the response time, making it unsuitable for the real-time systems. Comparative evaluation. A comparison was made across the three datasets to evaluate FCFS performance. The analysis include average waiting time, turnaround time, and the number of context switches, overall CPU idle time. Conclusion. The performance of the FCFS heavily depends on the arrival time patterns and the first time variations. Advantages are it is very easy to implement fair approaches because all processes are handled in a arrival order. No processes experiences starvation. These benefits make FCFS suitable for the batch processing system. Limitations. The convey effect slows down overall execution, high average waiting times, inefficient for interactive for real-time systems. Performance depends entirely on the arrival order. These drawbacks makes FCFS impartial for the modern operating systems. Lastly is conclusion. FCFS is simple, fair scheduling algorithm but performs poorly in most practical situations. Its non-primitive nature, high average waiting time and a lack of priority handling make it unsustainable for the real-time or interactive applications. However, it remains useful for the basic batch processing jobs where simplicity is preferred over efficiencies. Lastly is reference. We have referred from these textbooks and the author makes it suitable and very easy for FCFS scheduling algorithm. Thank you.